Wish that I could stay. Wish that I could stay. Wish that I could stay. Wish that I could stay.
Oh, good morning, everybody. Sorry about the messy Matt had there, but I'll have to say it was a little chilly this morning. It's not bad. You know, I've noticed, like, even when I used to live in BC or now I'm going back, but the cold there is different than the cold here. The cold here, you know it's going to get cold. BC, it's like it gets cold, but it's not like here. Like, I woke up this morning, I think it was 1. And right now I'm driving down the road, I got my heater on, toasty. I got my jacket on, but you know, not that bad. There's really not much to see, not much to do. The only thing I would say is I'm still not trustworthy. I wake up in the morning, I put on my GPS, it says go here. I always try to get the shortest route, but sometimes it takes me on these back roads and I said, what the hell? Am I lost? Especially when you come out in the light, you're like, okay, where's the highways? But no, it brought me here safely. So, yeah. Anyways, it's been cool. Good day. Not that bad. I'll talk to you all later. Bye-bye. Yeah, sorry for the wires and everything. I just pulled over. It's a little chilly outside. Pulled over at a rest stop. I'm just gonna make myself a quick sandwich for breakfast. Gotta crack open my stove. It ain't a gourmet breakfast, but it'll do. I put my butt down on this nice cement table, and it's ice. Now that's about a camp, little breakaway. Oh yeah, I'm eating. See, I'm eating, and they're looking at me like, oh yeah, give me some.
Cooper, sit.
Yeah.
Stay. Good boy.
Remember what I say? That's kind of funny driving around. You meet the weirdest people at the weirdest times. They're not weird, but you're sitting here eating, think you're out in the middle of nowhere, and all of a sudden, I got people that follow me. Thief! They just jumped up and grabbed my bagel. That's me. I was talking to the lady and took the best opportunity and grabbed it.
Such a thief.
I thought there wasn't much left. Probably helped my blood sugar. Thank you. Well, that was interesting to say the least. This is what I'm talking about. I'm sitting here eating, doing my thing. You know, minding my own business. Not that they're interrupting my business, but and all of a sudden people seem to come right out of the forest. Oh, hi, Jeffy Bear. It was very nice. They travel back and forth. They deliver rigs, I guess, to people, and that's their thing. That's what they do. Very interesting. Yeah. Anyways, I didn't catch it on video, but their dogs, the chocolate one, I talk with my hands a lot, and I was trying to eat. And I put my hand out there, and I looking at the lady and looking at the gentleman, and the dog came up and boom, a little bit. So I didn't eat all that bagel, so I don't want nobody complaining that I'm eating too many carbs, because that dog helped me out, okay? Even though I might have looked at it funny and said you were a thief, that dog helped me out. Anyways, we're all good. I've eaten. I just gotta go and take my dessert. I call my needles my dessert. So, and I also, that lady just gave me some information about some medical stuff that BC just allowed through. So I'll check that out when I get back. Yes, that'll be a bonus. Anyways, okay, I'm just gonna clean up a little bit, and I'll give you one last shot here of where I've been eating, where I had breakfast. Yep, nice little pull-out, washrooms, nice view of the little lake, and yeah.
Here's coffee, buddy.
Huh?
Go grab some coffees for you on the way.
Oh, thank you very much. I appreciate it. See what I mean? I'm blessed, man. This is the life. Bye-bye. Yeah, that's what they do. They deliver those from BC all over the place. They're on their way to Ottawa now. Kind of cool. Wow, man. Couldn't ask for a better life than this. Anyways, I gotta get off. I gotta go. There's many more of these places on their way, so until the next time, love yous all. Bye-bye. Yeah, we're just cruising along, taking our time, enjoying life. Woo! Bob's all right. He's looking at me now. Yeah. Okay, Bob. 5 minutes of fade, Bob. There. There you go. There's Bob. He's just hanging around, doing his thing. He's not hanging around, he's going to be getting in trouble, but what the heck. Yeah, I feel better with Bob because I can talk to Bob and not like people look at me like, you're talking to yourself? Whoa, I'm talking to Bob. Yeah, make me feel a little better. Come to think of it, Bob's better off, or Bob's better than having a pet. Now, don't go thinking I hate pets. I love pets. I just couldn't afford pets. Bob's had all his shots. It's cheap. The feed doesn't say much. I don't have to walk him. Like some people, I know I don't have to wipe his butt because he's too fat and can't lick it. Hi, Cruz, I love ya. Yeah. Anyways. Yeah, he's an all-around guy, and he's even dressed for the weather. He's got a little toque on there, and yeah. We're good to go, baby. Okay. Bob's also a good travel companion. Yes. Especially for old guys like me. I'm starting to lose my mind, but no matter how you do it, frontwards or backwards, Bob is still spelled Bob. B-O-B. B-O-B. Yeah. Well, I won't forget. What's your name again? Bob. Okay. Bob it is. And there's no music. this far in. At least I haven't been able to pick it up, but I want to sing a song. Ba 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 ba